Are you looking for affordable ways to boost your home's value? These 5 stunning DIY projects can transform your space and make it irresistible to buyers, all without breaking the bank. A stylish accent wall can give your home a high-end, designer look. Try wood paneling, geometric designs, or peel and stick wallpaper to create a stunning focal point in any room. Smart lighting is an affordable luxury that can set the mood and increase your home's appeal. Install dimmable LEDs, motion sensors, or color-changing lights for a high-tech upgrade. First impressions matter. Refresh your exterior with a new front door color, updated house numbers, and modern outdoor lighting to make your home more inviting. Transform your bathroom into a relaxing oasis with new mirrors, stylish faucets, and peel and stick tiles, all without a full remodel. Upgrade your kitchen with the peel and stick backsplash and subway tile or marble designs for a polished, modern look. With these simple yet impactful DIY projects, you can boost your home's value and impress potential buyers. Which project will you try first? Let us know in the comments below.